Sir, now I will explain. So some practice questions are related to wrapper classes, right? Sir, observe a bit very carefully. Consider the code public class test, public static void main string array args. Here I am taking boolean array b is equal to new boolean array of 2. Okay, sir, b of 0 is equal to new boolean of boolean dot parse boolean of true, sir. Boolean dot parse boolean of true. B of 1 is equal to new boolean of null. Sir, system dot out dot println b of 0 dot b of 1. Can you spell out what is the result, sir? True, false, true, null, compilation fails, or null pointer exception is thrown at the runtime. This is about our requirement, right? So what is the answer we are going to get? Sir, very simple. Boolean array b is equal to new boolean array of true, sir. Now because of first line, an array will be created with the size 2. B is the reference variable for that. Next, here we are not assigning any values in the first line. That's why the default value for boolean object, the default value for object reference null and null will be saved. Sir, because it is not boolean primitive, it is a boolean object type. That's why default value for object reference is always null will be saved. Now b of 0 is equal to new boolean of boolean dot parse boolean of true, sir. Take very special care, sir. Parse boolean to convert string to primitive. Now boolean dot parse boolean of true simply returns sir boolean primitive true, sir. Simply it is going to return boolean primitive true, sir. New boolean of true, sir. New boolean of true means sir boolean object will be created. What is the value, sir? True will be, it will be assigned here, true will be there. So b of 0 will become boolean object, sir, which is going to represent true, sir. Okay, take a bit very special care. What the purpose of parse booleans are? To convert string to boolean primitive. Next, new boolean of boolean primitive true means boolean object will be created. Now that object true will be there, sir. Next, b of 1 is equal to new boolean of null, sir. Do you know boolean class contain string argument is also string argument. If you are passing null, it is always going to consider as false only. So a boolean object will be created with the what values are false. False itself is the answer. Remember, okay? False it is right. So b of 0 dot b of 1. B of 0 dot b of 1 means true followed by false. Remember what is the answer we will get, sir? True followed by false. We never going to get compilation fail. We never going to get runtime exception, sir. Perfectly true followed by false is the answer for this requirement, right? Have a look once. Here I am taking public class test. Here observe carefully about this terminology, sir. Java, see, sir, same code. Have you observed? Sir, I created a boolean array. I created a boolean array with a size 2. Sir, first element I am trying to assign with this. Second element I am trying to assign with this one, sir, null. Okay, like what is the answer by default you are going to get? Let me compile Java C test.java and Java test. What answer we are going to get, sir? True followed by false itself is the answer. Everyone in the position to understand, right? What output we are going to get? True followed by false. That's also most valuable question, especially integer and boolean. These two classes we have to take a bit special care for the certification exam. Any doubt? So which one is the correct answer? True followed by false. A option is the correct option, right?